Honesty is the best policy. Once upon a time, there lived a renounced king who had grown very old. The king had 3 sons. Now he was worried that which of his sons should be his successor. It was very difficult for him to choose the next king among his 3 sons because he loved all of them. One day, the old minister advised to call his sons and said to them, I am giving each of you one seed that you will plant in a pot. After some days, I will see that whose plant is the best. The one who will have the most beautiful plant will be the next king. He gave each of them a seed. All his sons went back and planted the seed in their respective pot. After few months, 2 brothers had beautiful plants in their pots with lovely flowers and green leaves, except the youngest son. His pot was plantless, although he cared for his seed and pot very well, but no plant grew in his pot. When he saw his brother's plants, he became very sad and worried that what would he show to his father. One day, the king called all his sons to show him their plants. Look, father, how beautiful our plants are, said the sons who had plants in their pots. King asked the youngest son, where is your plant, my dear son? Why is your pot is empty? Youngest son replied, my dear father, I am really sorry. I tried my best, but no plant grew in my pot. No, you should not be sorry, said the king, because the seeds I gave to you and your brothers were dead and useless. No plant could be grown with the help of those seeds. Your brothers lied to me because they wanted to impress me. When they saw that their plants were not growing, they planted other seeds in their pots. The plants they have now that were grew from other seeds. But you were honest and told me the truth. And one of the most important qualities of a king is that he should be honest. So, my dear son, you will be the next king. The moral is honesty is the best policy. Thank you.